Hey guys, welcome to Computex 2026. We have the TRYX booth and we have James. James is going to show us some new products. So let's go. All right, so
Panorama V2.
Oh,
this is the full redesign.
Right, Panorama V2, full redesign.
So you can actually now, change the orientation from left to right. We've done USB-C connection, so you can remove the fan, VRM fan here.
Look at that.
Full aluminum on the housing.
Aluminum
housing.
Solid. A fan as well.
Yep.
USB-C connection.
USB-C connection, and you can do it this way or the other way.
Like that?
Yeah, there you go. So you see the LEDs on. So it'll take a few seconds, but it'll connect.
Yeah.
That's also accompanied by our Rota V2 Pro fans. And the cooler, the tubing, you can see here.
It's a lot thicker than usual.
Because there's no fan cables, right? So we've integrated the fan cables into the tubing, more cleaner route.
Yes.
Right?
So notice on this CP water block, there are no cables at all. The cables is probably running through the tubing right here, back into this unit here.
And it'll all come out through here.
Just one single cable
so it'll
going back
route
out
through there.
into the board, and so on.
Much cleaner.
Much cleaner.
We've also changed the display in terms of how thick the bezels are. So we've actually reduced the bezel size, so you get more real estate for more immersion, etc. Yeah.
Let's give it another go. So you can take this off, flip it around, and
to this side.
Kind of lock it in place.
Boom, right there.
Right.
Yeah. And it's on.
It's on.
And then you can see on the bottom. So it'll take a few seconds to connect, but you can rotate it to this side now, right? So
you can rotate this side.
If your PC's on this side, you can have it facing this way, right?
Yeah.
So it's
I can feel it. The actual whole unit, the LCD, is actually cool.
Yes. Yeah.
So that's fantastic. I like the way you can just plonk it in and just put it in.
And then
you
boom.
Just rotate that.
And then boom. That's it. Simple as that, right?
Again, same thing. Canali software.
Canali software. Yep. Same great OLED display, AMOLED display.
So when's this coming out?
This will come out in the second half, so still not sure on the timeline, but definitely in the second half of the year.
Yeah, Panorama V2,
Panorama V2, new design, new
flexible
everything.
USB display, fantastic.
Tilting the hinge.
Nice clean cable, aesthetic, fantastic.
And we're all good.
All right.
And this uses also the Asetek 10th gen pump.
10th gen pump.
One thing I forgot to mention, but so this is a 350 watt TDP, but we can go up to a 400 watt TDP with a thicker radiator.
Yep.
So we do have that option as well. Again, the 10th gen, you're able to offset the center.
Yes,
so you're able to match whether that's the Intel CPU die or the AMD die.
AMD die, yeah.
Yeah.
You can see that right there.
Yes.
That's the AMD one. You can just offset that.
Yeah, you offset it with the bracket and
also
then the
Intel there.
You mount it and then offset. So
that's good because most coolers, the CPU is like fixed. Can't offset it, so it's never getting the perfect
the perfect contact.
Yeah.
So we have the Panorama SE-V2. So this is another popular model.
SE-V2.
SE-V2. So again, in terms of price and performance, you're getting that more cost down version, but you still get all of the great features.
This also comes off?
This also comes off, so it still uses the magnetic, but we did change it, so there's a locking mechanism here.
Yeah, it locks it on that side.
Yeah, right here you can see there's a little button there. Sorry, this is the black one, but you see it, right there. So right here's the locking mechanism. And what we'll do is we'll just press this one and we can take this off. So you can see the unit. You can see the design changes we've done. Add a little more sleek design branding, right? But still keeping it light, keeping it fresh.
It also gives it rigidity and
rigidity.
It's got this nice
and that's
bend
the hinge.
as well. You can do the hinge. Whereas before wasn't that hinge, wasn't it?
No, it's just this.
It was just either
this or
side. Now you have a nice, you can angle at that. And of course connectors and magnetic, right?
So you can either mount it upside down or right side up, but depending on how that's it,
And just do that.
Depending on how your pump block is mounted, right?
I also like this as well because it gives you the choice.
There's a button here.
Oh, the button.
Yeah, so the button is the locking mechanism.
A locking mechanism for the button. Right. Cool. That's nice.
This will also come with our Fober fans. The radiator or the pump itself is using the Asetek 9th gen.
Like a unified body with the
unified body, right?
Also like the RGB as well. It's very nice.
This also comes in 2 variants too, so you can have the regular tubing, or you can actually have short tubing. If you want kind of
Oh,
like
yeah.
the shorter,
Short tubing that connects, come
Connects.
out the middle or the side.
Correct,
Rather
correct.
than from the top.
Correct. So we have this option as well.
Will it be using the new pump as well?
Same, yeah, it's
Yeah.
the new 9th gen pump,
Okay, cool.
right? So that's
Panorama SE, guys. Version
Panorama
2.
SE.